mark.
3 is a solid roll.
Snake eyes.
I even got over the first two.
none of that.
I was like, yes, I got over 2 macros.
Wow, must be nice to roll 5.
Choose your second.
Suddenly flips up the
I like getting on mine.
I don't draw that card.
You guys draw that card?
Bam, bitch.
Alright, Duel.
In the holster.
Oh, Arden.
In the hole. Oh, bet my cards.
I draw 5 before I put it back in the holster because it's hard to move the game.
You two can see how pro you are in this match.
It's only good at drawing 45 cards. I'm just saying.
What? You draw your 6 card?
Done, done.
Alright, you can go, faggot.
Magic Shark. Do it, bitch.
I don't have it, bitch.
Oh my god. You're like the worst. Yeah, great.
Just the money.
On 9!
I'm a liar. Into my graveyard. 2000. 2000. So make it life. I'm the best duelist. Good. My sphere. Good.
Honest, faggot?
That was a good I wish I'd see you before triple
Now
macro.
He's taking $2 grand. Yep. It's fine. Attack. Air Force. Oh, great. Yeah. Yeah.
That is great.
Wind up, Hunter!
You can't deal crap.
It's fine.
This
Wow, you lost. Okay, your next card?
Yeah. Sure. One card. You have life?
How many cards do you have, Lewis?
2.
Give me that marksman.
Marksman?
Wow, must be nice.
that must be nice.
Go ahead.
God, you suck.
Alright.
I don't care what you have. That's game, bitch.
This one was
That's
slightly
fucking
sacky.
game.
That was kind of sacky.
Again. All the cards. It doesn't matter. It's too late. Pick up your shit. That's game 1, bitch.